Alright, so today we're going to talk about diesel generators. I built this generator here. For me, it's my personal generator. It can do either single phase or three phase. It's 12 lead reconnectable, which means you can adjust the phases and you can adjust the voltages by just switching some wires around. Right now we're set at 120/240 volt single phase to run just a simple commercial building like this one, and it's 50 kilowatts single phase at a 1.0 power factor, and it's a 125 kilowatts three phase at a 0.8 power factor. And so all I did was just take a regular car hauler trailer, an automobile hauling trailer, and just put a cover box over it, and I put a different floor in it from the last video that I've showed you. So all it is just a regular trailer with a big door in the back and wheels, and it's got a exhaust fan, regular trailer hitch and such, and then it's got output connectors, and that's what this is. So it's 50 amp 240 volt single phase plugs along with 30 amp plugs. Then it's got the regular ordinary everyday 20 amp plugs. This one right here is the full power output receptacles. You got hotline 1, hotline 2, and then you've got the neutral and ground. They're bonded already inside the generator. So this right here just goes to the transfer switch, and so we'll go back around here, and then we're going to fire this thing up, and you'll get to hear it run, and you'll get to see the voltages do their things on the neat little gauges. This is going to be a short video. I'm trying out a new camera. I hope you like it. It's recording better than the other cameras I used, and I'm still trying to figure the camera thing out. So I'm also going to straighten up the videos that were sideways. I haven't been able to do that yet, but I'm going to work on that. So just kind of bear with me for now. Anyway, this is it's a Kohler generator, and it's going to have a hotline 1, neutral, and hotline 2, and it shows voltage and the amps for each leg. Now you can also set these up to run all of these also the same way for three phase, and so you just rewire them different, and you can do that with this generator. This is hotline 2, hotline 1, and these are neutral where it's bonded right here. This is a fuel tank, fuel lines. We've got single phase 2-pole system. It's 3 poles, but we're only using 2, and we got bonded again right there. Right now it's off. We're going to turn on the exhaust fan. We're going to look at this. This is a breakers, and these run the plugs on the other side that I just showed you just a while ago. So this is the protection switch, and then we're going to turn this on right here, and we're just going to idle it, and then we're going to turn it up to the 1800, and then we're going to turn it back off again. You'll see. That's just a simple generator, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.